morning, guys. Welcome to a day in my life. I know it is not a college day in my life. Today I don't have any class because they were actually both canceled. So I wanted to vlog just a regular vlog, which I love doing these too. Not only just college day in my life. But if you're new here, hi, make sure you go and hit the subscribe button down below before you continue watching this video. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a day in my life vlog, how my day is when I don't have classes. So it's really nice. I don't have class today, and then tomorrow's Wednesday, which is already like my day off. So it gives me time to like kind of prepare because finals are coming up. I need to like prepare and like, you know, get some organizing, get some productive work done for the upcoming weeks, because next week is already Thanksgiving, so we have like a little bit of a break, and then boom, it's like December, finals are here. So I'm gonna bring you guys along my day of what I do today, and I hope you guys enjoy. So let's go and eat breakfast. I also was able to sleep in today, which is really nice because I just wanted to catch up on sleep. And you know, I've been really like working a lot. I picked up a lot of shifts the past week, like the all-day shift type of thing. So I just really needed some sleep. So it is 10:15 right now. I didn't like just wake up. I woke up probably at like 9:45, and I just like laid in bed for a bit. But now I'm ready to start my day. So let's go and start our day. And I hope you guys are having a great day whenever you're watching this. Okay guys, so before I have my eggs for breakfast, I'm going to be eating some of these pineapples. I love pineapples, and they also have a little bit of grapes in them, but it's just mainly little chunks of pineapple, and I love pineapple. So I'm going to have this to start my morning, and I just poured myself a big glass of water. So this is what I'm going to have this morning for right now. Okay guys, I have these little like mini tater tot bites cooking right now, and I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs. Alright guys, so this is my breakfast for today. I always switch up something with like eggs, whether I have it with broccoli, like avocado. So today I have it with the little baby tater tots with, I do like sprinkle some cheese on it, and then I put my everything but the bagel seasoning, and it is so good. Alright guys, I have my coffee in my cute little holiday mug. I'm like in full mode holiday mood. Also I need to do my nails, so don't mind them, but super yummy. I love having my coffee every morning, and I'm actually going to start planning out my calendar for you guys and showing you guys like upcoming stuff that I have, because even though I don't have class today, I just want to show you guys what I do to start planning for like finals, because as you can see, we're on this week right here. Thanksgiving is next week. And then we turn to December. Why is it out of focus? We turn to December, and I have like no class this day for my speech class. And then just like a bunch of stuff, like my psych final exam is this day. I have to present like a speech this day, hand in another like exam worksheet, which I already did for speech. It's just like you have to watch somebody perform a speech and just kind of critique it. I already did that. My forensics final exam, and my psych exam was going to be this day, but it was moved. So yeah, and then Christmas Eve is this day. So I officially am done the 17th, but there's a lot of things that are scattered. I actually don't know if we can present this day, because these 2 days are, I believe, reading days, which means you don't come in, you have off to like study and stuff. So I have to double check all of that. But this is what I need to start like writing. I just like look at the overview and I start writing a list of like to-dos. So let's do that now. Also, definitely next year I need to get a new planner. Well, obviously this is good for the spring and the fall, like for this year, but definitely like next school year, because these are no good. I was supposed to originally get something different, because I got one similar to this last year, like a really big one, but I want like a different type, because these things keep like coming out, and it's just like so annoying, and like it's just really bad. So I need to like definitely get a new one for next year, but I'm just gonna stick this one out for now. So I'm gonna write my list now. Alright guys, so I just completed my list, and these are some of the things that are like my last and the final things coming up that I need to get done. I have to do my journal from my last class, just talk about what I took away from the class basically, continue on my psych study guide because I actually started it, and I don't have class next Monday, the week of Thanksgiving, so that's perfect. Speech, I need to work on a question since he canceled class today. He posted like a video, we have to answer questions, so I'm gonna actually do that right now after I finish telling you guys. Then I need to complete my 2 lab reports because we didn't have class this Monday yesterday, so she gave us like a take-home one last week and they're both due next Monday, so I need to do that, and then I need to start working on the outline for our final so that when it hits December I already have the study guide done. I can just start studying. And then for this, my culture class, I have to finish the PowerPoint, and I already finished my essay for it. It's like they both go together, and it's actually next Tuesday, and then our last day of class is December 3rd, which is like the last day of presentations, but I go the 26th. So I'm gonna start, I think, working on my speech question really quickly because it's just like a video and answering questions, so I think it shouldn't be that bad. This candle smells so good. It's called Sleigh Ride. I've had it for a long time. Alright, right now I'm working on my culture presentation. I already started it, and we had to choose like an artifact, and I chose fashion in Tokyo, Japan, because they have a lot of articles that I found that are really good about like streetwear and stuff, and I already did the essay that goes with it, so I'm kind of using that to help me input like what I want to talk about in my slides and all of that. So I'm gonna continue working on it. I only need, let's see, like 5 more slides, but like I'm not putting a lot of information on the slides because it's not supposed to be like super jam-packed. So I'm gonna continue working on this and hopefully maybe try to finish it. Guys, I'm making lunch right now. I'm making some Annie's mac and cheese. It's so good, and it's made with organic pasta, and this one is just the white cheddar one. It is so good. So I'm making this right now. Guys, I'm now officially done with my final project for my culture class, and I'm super excited and happy about that. I got that out of the way, so now I can check that off of my list. But I also wanted to show you guys 2 things that I ordered a couple days ago. I ordered one on Sunday, and then I ordered one on Saturday while I was at work. But yeah, I'm going to show you that right now, and I'm hoping that they come in soon. Okay, so I got this ASOS Design Fisherman beanie in olive, and it is $8, and it's just an olive green beanie. I love beanies. I have one in black, but I wanted a different color and switch things up. I also have one with a little pom-pom that's in like a cream. And then I got these Brandy Melville Rosa sweatpants in olive green. So this will be super cute outfit with the beanie as well, and like a white crop top or something, and like a cute jacket. I just don't have any like these with like the cuffs like that, and then no drawstrings, but they also have pockets still, which is really nice and cute. These are $28, so I'll have them both linked down if you guys want to check them out. I'm really excited for both of them to come in hopefully this week, because I'm planning on wearing the beanie soon for Thanksgiving. Alright guys, I just finished showering and I'm getting ready for the day. I don't usually shower in the middle of the day. I usually shower at night, but I just wanted to freshen up a bit, and I'm wearing literally basic outfit, a black long sleeve, black leggings, and this cardigan to keep me warm. Simple, I'm not doing anything crazy, but we'll see what I do. I'm gonna hang out for a bit, and then like I said, we'll see. I'm happy I got some work done. I probably will honestly get some more work done later, and it's nice because tomorrow's my day off. Tomorrow's usually the day, why does this do this? Tomorrow's usually the day where I get stuff done because I have off, but today I had off too, so tomorrow I can film a bunch of videos which I'm excited about. So yeah, just my little outfit. Guys, 106.7 is playing Christmas music already, and I'm super excited. Usually I don't listen until like after Thanksgiving, but I feel like last year I really felt like Christmas just came and went and I didn't really get to enjoy Christmas music. So I've just been like listening to it a little bit since it's on the radio when it's playing good songs. I haven't watched any movies. That I'll wait for like after Thanksgiving. Also, it's really dark, but I just went to the library. I just wanted to quickly update you guys. I went to the library, just a little bit of a quick change of like scenery, just really get to focus. I had to watch this really long video for my speech class since we didn't have class today. It was like an hour long, like somebody giving a speech, and we had to kind of like critique it a little bit. I'm still not done critiquing it, but yeah, I'm home now. And yeah, it's been a really productive day. Even though I didn't have school today, I really took advantage and got a lot done. And I also don't have school tomorrow, so that's nice, and I can like film videos and stuff. But I'm gonna go inside, eat some dinner, and then we'll see what else I do for the day. Alright guys, I'm all showered. I washed my hair and then I throw it in a little like bun, because I like how it like twirls when I take it out. And then before I go to bed, I put it in a little braid, like a loose braid. I just love how it looks after that. Anyways, I'm going to, it's 8:40. I'm going to finish my assignment that I have due tonight at 11:59. I went to the library like you saw, and I was watching the video, so now I just have to answer the questions. I already answered one, and I was kind of waiting for him to email me back because I didn't know if he wanted a paragraph for each answer because there's 3 questions, or one big like chunk. So we have to do one for each. So I already did one, so now I'm gonna do the other 2 now, and then be done for tonight with like homework wise, because I did a lot today, and that's basically all I really, well, not all I had to do on my to-do list, but like a good amount of it, like the most important stuff, the stuff that is coming up soon. So I'm really proud of myself. But I'm gonna finish this real quick and then lay in bed. And lately, every night since, okay, so basically I got the Disney Plus like free trial thing because I was like working all day shifts, and I was just like, I just need something to keep me busy like when I can like have breaks and stuff. So I got the free trial. It ends Friday. So I've been watching like a Disney movie every night, so I'm gonna like go and relax and do that once I'm done with this.
My name's Ralph, and I'm a bad guy.
Alright guys, I'm gonna watch this movie right now and go to sleep afterwards. I hope you guys enjoyed this really chill, just regular day in my life vlog, something different, since I didn't have class today, but I did get a lot done. It was very productive. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my other videos. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next one.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and feel the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause